The ice maker in my KitchenAid refrigerator recently stopped working, and in this video I'll explain step by step how to fix it. First, let me show you what's happening. This LED should not be flashing when the freezer door is closed, and when I press the flap to simulate a closed door, the light keeps blinking. This means there's a blockage or a problem with the photoelectric sensor and it needs to be replaced. I got the parts from Amazon for $22 and I'll list it in the description so it's easy for you to find. The first thing to do is tape the ice cover up so it's out of the way. Starting on the left side, I'll remove 3 screws from the sensor cover. This top one is in a tight spot, so I'll need to use a screwdriver. Now, gently pull the panel off to reveal the tiny circuit board inside. Take this out by removing 2 Phillips screws. Next, I'll need to detach the wiring harness. And to do that, just flip up the plastic tab. Then pull it off. Okay, installing the new sensor is easy. Just plug it into the top row of pinholes. And now I'll secure it to the cover. Here, place the cover back into the side of the fridge and then attach it with the remaining screws. Now let's work on the other side. This is pretty much the same process. I'll use my drill for the bottom screws, but for the top one, I'll need my screwdriver again. This circuit board is also held in with 2 screws. But once they're out, I'll flip the tabs on the connector and remove the board. Now just plug the new sensor into the harness. I hope you can see that this has been pretty easy to do so far, even if you have no experience. Next step is to attach the new circuit board to the cover. At this point, I can finish up with the 3 remaining screws. Again, for the top, I'll need to use a screwdriver. But please note that when using a drill, put it on the lowest torque setting to avoid stripping the screws. With the new sensors in place, I can see that I get a solid light when I close the left panel, which means the ice maker is working again. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my DIY videos.